Hello, Anthony.
Hello, Claudia.
We're here today to talk about tax and reporting requirements for U.S. persons that may be living in Japan or maybe a Japanese person living in the United States. There are very specific tax issues with different countries because of things like tax treaties. In this case, there is a tax treaty between the United States and Japan.
That's right. The purpose of the tax treaty is to avoid double taxation, but that doesn't always happen because tax treaties can limit things out. What you have to understand is, as a U.S. person, your income is taxed on a worldwide basis, even if Japan is taxing it. So you might have to pay double taxes, but the good thing is if you are living in Japan, you are entitled to the foreign income exclusion, which can exempt up to $100,000, around $100,000 of your income.
Okay.
Or you can be entitled to the foreign tax credit for taxes paid so that you're not paying taxes twice.
Okay. Let's talk about a couple of issues we see there. Tell me about the most common.
Well, the most common is our clients don't know what they made, their bank accounts made, because they're passbook accounts. And so getting bank statements, there's no bank statements in Japan. You have your passbook, and that's what it is. So sometimes it takes a little bit of legwork to figure out what an interest was, or if the account even earned interest. So it's something that Japan does do things differently. That's the commonality of international taxation is every country does things different where there isn't a U.S. analog. And so you always have to take that round hole and put it into a square peg, or a square peg into a round hole.
I do like listening to our tax department talk about getting information from foreign countries and sort of making it work in the
That's
U.S.
right, yeah.
And then another issue is perhaps you have a spouse.
Yes. Very common for our clients to be a U.S. person marrying to a Japanese person who's not a U.S. person at all. And one thing they might know is that they could file their file taxes jointly, even though their spouse is not a U.S. person, and that can save them a little bit of money. Another issue that springs up is that their children may be U.S. persons, and there may be a kiddie tax you have to watch out for.
Wow. All right. Well, if you are a U.S. person living in Japan or a Japanese person living in the United States, don't hesitate to contact us for help with any of these reporting requirements. You can call us at 888-727-8796 or email info@irsmedic.com. Thanks for watching.